Okay, last day we discussed on the sum of external angles of a quadrilateral. What is the sum of external angles of a quadrilateral? Ken? Correct. The sum of external angles of any quadrilateral or any polygon. For any polygon, any sides, sum of external angles is equal to Anashura. Sum of external angles of any polygon is equal to what? 360. Okay. And we have started some problems based on that, isn't it? How many questions we have done? Anashura, how many questions we did last day? Anashura, Lakshmi, how many questions we did last day? Did you do all those questions twice? I asked you to do twice at home. Lynette, you did? Lynette?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Shall we do the next question? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Benedict, read the last question, Benedict. This one we did, isn't it? Find the value of x. Anybody?
Yes.
We did know this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. This also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, next we are going to study more about kinds of quadrilaterals. Give the heading. Next heading is kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds of quadrilateral. All of you write. Next is we are going to study more about quadrilaterals. Till now we studied pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and their about their interior angles. Interior angles of any polygon is n-2 into 180. Nandana, what is interior angles of any polygon? Nandana? How can we find sum of interior angle of any polygon? How can we find, Nandana? I can't hear. Unmute, then say. Unmute, Nandana. Sum of
n-2 into 180.
In n-2 into 180. One more question, Nandana. What is the sum of external angles of any polygon?
I can hear properly.
Okay, no problem. Benedict?
Yes,
Benedict, what is the sum of external angles of any polygon?
360 degree.
360, good. Okay. Next, we are going to study more about quadrilateral. And in that, first one is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. It has a pair of parallel sides. Such quadrilaterals are known as trapezium. Right, all of you? Can you see properly? Okay.
Yes,
trapezium is a quadrilateral. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. We will denote these parallel sides in this way. Mark, which shows that they are parallel. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. Trapezium ABCD. Trapezium ABCD. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. See, ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. Here, Ritvik, which sides are parallel here? Ritvik, which of the sides are parallel here, Ritvik?
AD and BC.
Yes, AD and BC are two parallel sides of this trapezium. So, Adikesh, read what is trapezium, Adikesh? Read.
Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides.
Okay, trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Okay, next is kite, right? Kite. K-I-T-E. Next is kite. Kite is a quadrilateral. Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. So, in a kite, there will be two pairs such that the sides, those pairs are equal and consecutive. The pairs are equal and consecutive. Here, K. All of you unmute your audio. Some sounds or disturbance is coming. Mute your audio, all of you. Okay. Here, JK and LK or KJ and KL are equal and they are consecutive also. Consecutive mean, what is the meaning of consecutive? I mean, all of you mute your audio but switch on your video. Switch on your video, mute your audio. Tom Jones, what is the meaning of consecutive, Tom?
Equal.
Consecutive. Equal and consecutive. Consecutive meaning what? We have studied consecutive. Navaneet, what's the meaning of consecutive?
I don't know.
Nivedya, consecutive.
Continuous.
Yes, they lies adjacently. They lies adjacently. Okay, correct. Okay. So here in kite there are two pairs of equal and consecutive sides. Two pairs of sides are equal and consecutive. Here KJ and KL. KJ and KL are equal and consecutive. One more pair. This is the first pair. One more pair sides are equal and consecutive. Which are they? Which are the next pair of consecutive sides? Equal and consecutive sides Ken. Which are the next pair of equal and consecutive sides? Ken.
JM.
JM and LM. Correct. JM and LM. So, can read what is a kite? Read.
A kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of consecutive sides.
Equal consecutive. Exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. Okay. So next is below properties of kite. Kite has some properties. We are going to discuss what was that. Properties of kite. First one, the diagonal of a kite is perpendicular to one another. Diagonals of a kite. The diagonals of a kite is perpendicular to one another. They are perpendicular to one another. Perpendicular to one another means these angle between near the point of intersection will be what? Adikesh. Perpendicular to one another means what? What about these four angles? Adikesh, if these two lines are perpendicular to one another, and what about 1, 2, 3, 4. What about these 4 angles? What will be the measure of these 4 angles? If these two lines are perpendicular, to one another, what is the measure of these 4 angles?
It will be equal.
They are equal. And how much? What is the measure? Suryadev, what is the measure of these 4 angles? Suryadev, what will be the measure of these 4 angles? Suryadev, can you hear me? Suryadev, can you hear me? Okay, Suryadev, my question is, what will be measure of each angle? Angle 1 equal to, angle 2 equal to,
90 degree.
angle 3 equal to, angle 4 equal to. Irene, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Then what about the measure of these 4 angles, Irene? Irene, did you know?
90 degree.
Yes, these 4 angles will be equal to 90 degree. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. All these angles are equal to 90 degree, or these angles are equal to 90 degree. So, diagonals of a kite is perpendicular to one another. Next point is, one of the diagonal bisect the other. One of the diagonal bisect the other. See this figure. Here, diagonals are Navaneet, Abid. Which are the diagonals of this kite? Diagonals of this kite are, which are the diagonals? Which are the diagonals, Abid?
Ma'am,
tell me.
in my screen I don't see that figure.
Can you see now?
No.
Okay, no problem. Vaishnavi, which are the diagonals of this kite?
One is JL.
JL, correct. One is JL. The second one is?
Then KM.
JL and KM are the diagonals. JL and KM are the diagonals of this kite. And the second property says what? Second property is what?
One diagonal.
One of the diagonal
Bisect the other.
One of the diagonal
bisect the other.
Yes, one of the diagonal bisect the other. By seeing this figure, Sridev, can you say which diagonal bisect which? Which diagonal bisects?
KM bisects JL. JL.
JL bisects KM. Is that correct? Which become bisected? Which diagonal is bisected? Give me that answer. Which diagonal is bisected here? Which is bisecting means divided into two equal portions. Sridev, my question is
KM.
which one?
KM.
KM is bisected.
No, ma'am, JL. JL.
I'm asking. Okay, Amin, can you hear me, Amin? No. Who's this? Albert.
Yes, ma'am.
Albert, my question is, we have two diagonals. One is JL, other one is KM. My question is, here one diagonal is bisected. That means it is dividing into two. All others unmute. All others unmute. Okay. So one diagonal is bisected, which means one diagonal is dividing into two. Which was that? That is my question. Which was that?
KM.
KM. KM is equally dividing. This is the point of division. KM is equally dividing the Lakshmi. Is KM is equally dividing in this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vaishnavi, is KM is dividing into two equal parts.
No,
Which
ma'am.
means these two parts should be equal. Huh? Vaishnavi?
It's not equal.
No. Which diagonal is dividing into two? Which diagonal is dividing into two?
JL.
JL, correct. JL is dividing into two. Here JL is bisected. JL is dividing into two equal parts. JL is bisected by KM. JL is bisected by KM. Understood, Navaneet? Ken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in all kite, one diagonal bisect the other. One diagonal bisect the other. In this figure, JL is bisected by KM. Right? Right, all of you. JL is bisected by KM. If this point is O, suppose this point is O, then JO equal to OL. JL is bisected by KM. Draw this figure and give the name as JKLM. JKLM. And write JL is bisected by KM. JL is
KM.
bisected by KM. So, Vaishnavi, read the properties of kite. Read it, Vaishnavi.
And if a kite is perpendicular to one another,
Kite is
then one
diagonal
of the
side.
diagonal bisect the other.
One of the diagonal bisect the other. Vaishnavi, what happened to you? You are putting a
Ma'am, neck pain.
neck pain. Okay.
Ma'am, neck pain.
Okay. Okay, shall I move to the next? So once again, Irene, what is a kite? Read.
Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides.
Okay, read its properties.
The diagonals of a kite is perpendicular to one another. One of the diagonal bisects the other.
Okay. Now we are moving to next. Next is a parallelogram. Very important shape. Parallelogram, and it has many properties, and we have to do many problems on that parallelogram also. So parallelogram, what is a parallelogram? It is a quadrilateral, four-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. It is a quadrilateral with two pairs of or opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here it is at PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram, and these two sides are parallel and equal, and these two sides are parallel and equal. PQ equal to SR. PQ equal to SR, and PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. So parallelogram. What is parallelogram, Nandana Sharath? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral
Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose
whose
opposite sides are equal and parallel.
yes, parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in this parallelogram, PQRS equal sides are PQ equal to SR and PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. Also we can write PQ parallel to PQ parallel to
SR.
SR. PQ parallel to SR and PS parallel to
QR.
PS
QR.
parallel to QR.
Q.
PS parallel to QR. PS parallel to QR. So parallelogram has opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, all these are parallelograms. These two sides are equal and parallel. These two sides are equal and parallel. Here also. All these are parallelograms. Now, properties of parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. The first property is opposite sides. So we know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Second property is Muhammad Salim, right? Muhammad Salim, right? Second property, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Mute your audio. Some disturbance is coming. Mute it. Third one, opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal. Very, very important property. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal. Third one. Fourth one is adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. 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 Fifth one is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. 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 Tamanna, did you write?
Ma'am, no.
Write it. Fadil, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Fadil,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your audio, video, both audio and video. Fadil, I want to see you. Aldo, Amin, Albert, Advait, all switch on your video. Okay, Fadil.
Yes, ma'am.
Fadil, read the properties of a parallelogram. Read.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel.
Yes.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Yes.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal measure.
Yes.
The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary.
Okay.
The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other.
Okay. Amin Shafiq, read. Amin, did you write? Amin. Advait, did you write? Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read Advait. Read the properties of parallelogram.
Opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel.
Okay.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Mm.
Opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure.
Okay.
The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary.
Okay.
The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other.
Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss what are the properties by this figure. Okay. Consider the parallelogram A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. So, Lakshmi, what is the first property, Lakshmi? First property?
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel.
Are parallel. So here, which are the sides are parallel? Which of the sides are parallel?
AB and DC.
AB parallel to. This is the sign for, notation for showing parallel. AB parallel to DC. DC. This two line shows those two sides are parallel. Okay. Next, only one pair. AB and DC.
AD parallel to BC.
AD parallel to BC. This line shows they are parallel. This is the notation for symbol for showing parallel. For triangle, we will use this symbol, isn't it? That way, for parallel, we are using it. Okay. And next one, who will read the next? Okay, Nadeem, which is the next property? Second property?
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Equal. So, Nadeem, which are equal here? Nadeem, which are equal? In ABCD, parallelogram ABCD, which of the sides are equal, Nadeem? Nadeem?
AB and DC.
AB equal to DC and AD
equal to BC.
AD equal to BC.
DC.
AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. Correct. Third property. Navaneet, what is the third property?
Ma'am, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal measure.
Okay, so here which of the angles are equal? Which angles are equal here? Opposite angles means angle?
Ma'am, AB and DC.
Angle A. A equal to angle A, this angle A. Angle A equal to?
Angle
C.
C, correct. Angle A equal to angle C, correct. Also we have?
Angle B.
Angle B
equal to angle D.
Angle B equal to angle D. Then next property, Lynette. Next property is what? Lynette.
The diagonals bisect each other.
The
diagonals of a parallelogram
the
bisect
diagonals
each other.
of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let this point be O. So diagonals bisect each other means what, Lynette? Okay.
BD and AC bisect each other.
Yes, BD and AC bisect each other. Okay. Dear students, our time is up. We will discuss the same topics and one more period we have, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that period we will discuss more on these properties. Okay. Now, I'm going to end our class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We will see in the next period. Next period we will see. Okay, bye all of you. Bye.